How to remove a saved bank account from old Navi card portal. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about if we can remove a saved bank account from old Navi credit card portal or not. So first thing first, just head over to your website where you manage old Navi credit card. This may be branded under Old Navi Gap Inc. or even Synchrony. So just sign in using your email or password, and once you successfully sign into your account, just navigate to the sections like payment method or autopay or bank accounts. Just look for any saved bank account listing or links that says edit, remove, or delete, and often you'll find options to remove or replace the bank account under these settings. So if no removal option is visible, you can just head over to just temporarily deactivate autopay if it's linked to a bank account, as this may allow you to delete or replace it, or add a different payment method, add another bank account or a card, and see if you can remove the old one. And if it's still not working, you can just reach out to the customer service support by simply heading over to the dashboard or hamburger icon and just contact your customer service. Or you can also call the number on the back of your card or visit the customer help or contact us section on the portal site and describe them to your issue, just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.